Welcome to Finding Out a New World in English. In this video we are going to cover the simple future. Be going to versus will. Both of them are used to talk about future. Use be going to for, prior plans, already decided. Plan existed before. Raphael is going to buy a car because he's tired of taking the bus everywhere. That carpet is really old, that's why I'm going to get a new one. Planned activities, scheduled. Part of a plan. We're going to a concert next Friday. Amanda's going to study abroad next semester. Fixed intention, pretty sure. It's a firm commitment you have made yourself or someone else. Melissa is going to throw a big party tomorrow. They're going to get married in June. Predictions, based on physical evidence. Look at those black clouds. It is going to rain. The clouds are physical proof. The game is going to be exciting. Both teams are truly good. You are looking at the players. Cancelled plan, the plan is dead for now. I am not going to finish my project tonight because my laptop broke down. Alana and her friend are not going to have the barbecue because it is raining. Use will for, willingness. Offer. Ready to help. Volunteering. It seems there's somebody knocking at the door. I'll get it. If you don't understand the lesson, your father will explain it to you. Spontaneous decisions, decisions made at the moment. I'll go to the concert too. I'm thirsty. I'll get a drink. Predictions, based on opinion. Uncertainty. Not 100% sure. She'll probably throw a big party tomorrow. Amelia will perhaps call us later. Promises, a declaration that you will definitely do something. I will always love you. Hack alert. Don't use I am going to love you forever. Sounds like a scheduled task. Do use I will love you forever. Sounds like a sincere promise. We rarely use be going to for promises because a promise is a personal commitment made to someone else in the moment. Whereas be going to feels more like a cold, scheduled plan. That is why will fits better.